So would you like to have constant character for your animated or cartoon videos? So in this video, I will introduce you a tool where you can generate constant characters. Okay, it is very helpful tool that introduced by Google a while ago. So let's move to this tool, okay, which is Whisk. So come here to the labs.google/effects, the effects tools that we have: music, image effects, flow, and Whisk. Today we will move to the Whisk. So let's launch it. So after launching it, so it will looks like this, okay. Enter to the tool. After pressing enter to the tool, you will come here and you should sign in with your Google account. So Whisk tool has three parts: subject, scene, and style. So the subject, where you want the character that you want; in the scene, for the background, what you want to have; and for the style, which style you prefer. Okay, you can select or upload the style also. So for example, let's first of all, I want to have a teenage boy. So for that, here in the subject area, you can write a prompt or you can upload your own character. So I will write a prompt. Let's press this and I will just paste this: a teenage boy with short brown hair, wearing a castle hoodie and jeans, smiling confidently. Generate it. So it will generate a boy for me now. So you can upload your own character also. Let's wait for the generation. Look at, the boy has been generated for us. This is, for example, our character that we would like to use in our other scenes that we want. So let's come here, click on this. Yeah, we will use. Now I want, for example, this boy to be stand, for example, in a superstore. Okay, I want to use the same boy in a superstore. So simply I will write here. So here I will just describe. So let's press this. Okay, he will be stand in a supermarket. So let's wait for the generation. Just upload the background that you want, or just write for it. So it will use the same character that you uploaded. You can even upload two characters also if you want to have two characters, so you can use that also. We have different, look at, two images, so you can generate more and more. And here you can just specify the size: portrait, square, or landscape. So you choose the landscape, that is okay. So let's now generate the second character. For generating the second character, so here we will come and press this plus button at the top. So here you can upload your own character image. I will just write a prompt. Okay, so I will write like an old woman with scarf. So let's generate this one. So it will generate the second character for us. After generating this, then we will write and make an image, or we can upload our own background. So let's wait for that. Yeah, that is okay. Here is an old woman. So I will just simply write here, helping with the woman in supermarket. Simply like this, press enter, so it will generate an image. So let's wait for that. So I'm just writing prompt, so you can upload your own scene, style, and I will show you examples. Okay, let's just watch the video. So look at how beautiful it is. You can generate more images, like how it is helping like buying the products. Amazing. This is an amazing AI that you can use and generate different scenes with constant characters. So let's, for example, now I will upload a background. For example, this here, I will just choose a background. Like which one? For example, this one. Okay, so I will just upload this background. So let's wait for that. Then I will just simply I will just write Viking. So it will use our background now that we have uploaded. So look at Viking. It has generated images and used the same background as I uploaded. So it is amazing. You can use. So let's now just here you can upload a style. I will simply write that art style. Okay, so it will generate art style for me. And you can use cartoon style. So which style you prefer, so you can just write or upload that image as a cartoon image. So it will generate those that style images for you. For example, this is art style. So I will just press it once again. Okay, we'll use this style now. So look at how amazing it used just the art style. So it was how to use constant character with different scenes, different background and the styles. You can have multiple characters and you can upload it and you can use it. Even you can generate videos. So it give you 1,000 character, okay, to generate videos also, but that need pro version of Google account to generate videos. So it was all about how constant characters with different scenes, different backgrounds. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos like this regarding AI. Thanks for watching.